Hi, what's up, Stellar XLM holder? Today we will predicate Stellar XLM and also do technical analysis and at the end share opinion, etc. my friends. So please, holders, must watch this 2-minute video to understand better now. My friend, as you can see here, first of all, I'm going to predicate this coin, and after that, my friends, we will touch something very special now. So this time, as you can see, my friend, the resistance line, the white dot line is resistance line, as you can see, my friend. So after that, you can see here minus 18.93%, the price will decrease now. That's a really bad news, but my friends, you can see here this time very badly fares down. The price is very badly fares down. So when a price will fails down, so definitely after a dump, absolutely, if they hit the resistance line, so they will again recover the loss, but they never hit the resistance line, so that's mean to they are in the loss. So kindly, holder, Stellar XLM holder, if you want to get a profit, if you want my friends to be honestly, my friend, we will earn a lot of money from crypto. Now follow my advice and be a stick, subscribe this channel, please. I hope they will give you a profit. My friend, this time the resistance line is clearly told you to upcoming time the price will more pumps up, but if they are do something very special and very secret. My friend, this time still exam pricing hour by hour, minute by minute increasing. If we check out the last 3 days also, definitely we will better understand. You can see here plus 8.67% the price is increased now. So that's a really great news. I hope my friend in upcoming time they will also get a very good profit. So why are you waiting? Please, holders, hold now. I hope they will give you a profit. See you next time, Stellar XLM. Please like video and also subscribe this channel. Allah Hafiz, take care. But one thing more, my friends, I want to tell you to in upcoming time, my friends, I am going, my friends, to invest now more and more in Stellar XLM, because when the price will pumping up, so definitely holders are doing this, my friends, so they are starting investing. So I'm also going to invest now. Thanks for watching. Please like video and subscribe channel.